Hi, does it make sense to splash out on a solar system and battery? What are the options? How much does it all cost? And how long will it take for you to get your money back? Welcome to this channel. I've gone through this whole process and will be posting a series of videos demystifying the industry for you, covering the many options and the pitfalls to watch out for. Use the comments to post any questions you may have and I'll put together videos in response. I've done all the homework. My installation was completed in May 22 and I ended up going with a well-known company with a large national presence. It's early days, but already our real-world results are way better than we expected. If you'd like to know more about my installation, drop me an email and I'll get in contact with you. If you'd like to follow the series, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. That way you'll get notified when each video is posted. Plus, this channel's ranking will improve, allowing more people to benefit from our experience. In the meantime, good luck with your endeavours.